Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing a product. It's called Sakura watercolor set, and it's actually pocket, that's why it's small and it's very portable. This is my main watercolor I use for my artworks. And let's open the watercolor. Swatch. Basta may mga kulay. Ayan. We have white. And hindi ko na isa-isa yung color. Basta. It has 24 different shades of colors. And, oh my god. So, what comes inside the pocket? It has a palette here. Oh my god, wala akong kwentang vlog. Okay, so may kulay siya. And as you can see, it has very vibrant colors compared sa local brands na mumurahin bata na bibili natin. Anyway, so yeah, what comes inside the package? So aside from having an easel, the first part, sige, from top to bottom pa. So here we have easel where you can do your small works. I actually don't use it that much. I use it para sa mga easel. I use it para sa swatching. Ayan. As you can see, it's very messy and I swatch there because I have my. And it comes with a free water brush. If you're not familiar with the water brush, you can, it's actually self-refilling. I mean, no, not self-refilling. Kumbaga, because, di ba, kapag if you're using watercolors, usually you dip the brush to hydrate the brush, ganun. But here we have a bottle. Oh my god, ito hapon. And we have a bottle, and you put water there, obviously, and it hydrates the brush para when you squeeze it, water comes out. So, hooray! Okay, so next we have this sponge where you can use to switch colors. And lang, baka kasi tumapon eh. Wait lang ha. And so it has a sponge where you can dry your brush. So now let's talk about the quality of the product. I actually did a lot of paintings. I mean, yeah, nagpaint ako and they were really good. Oo nga pala, meron ding palette where you can mix your colors and create different so yeah, let's move on sa ating artworks. So here's my sample artwork here, and as you can see, merong varying colors. Well, it depends sa artist naman if how you're going to execute, but so far speaking, it's a very decent product. And you can see also na meron din siyang range of depth, I guess. Ang hirap to pronounce. Pero it has you can build contrast with the watercolor Sakura koi. And you can see it has very dark darks and light lights. So that wraps up the review. Let's move on to group lang, wala na eh. Okay na yun. Talking about the price, actually bought this for 2,000 plus. That equates to like $30 above or 40, somewhere there. If you don't know, it has also a feature here, a smart feature, I guess. Meron siyang book where you can hold it while painting, and you can hold it while painting and be an artist. So I actually don't use the water brush here.
Kasi hindi siya maganda.
I mean, siguro not for me. And so we have our brush and our set. It's very easy to hold kasi it's maliit lang. Oh my god, okay. So now we're gonna move on to the testing part. We're gonna try basic watercolor techniques, I guess. So I have here my brush and I already filled it with water, so it's full. And basically you just squeeze it with pressure, so water comes out and you can make puddles there. So let's try what do you want, blue, like that, and you create different shades, whatever you want. And this is, I guess, the lightest part of, kasi the more paint you apply here, the more contrast you add and the more saturated it becomes. Maybe I applied too many water, and so you can see here yung range of saturation of the color. Let's try another color. So you just wet your brush and wipe it off the sponge. For now, let's try red. So just squeeze a little bit and apply here for the lighter one, and you squeeze more. I mean, you don't squeeze more because it's gonna produce more water, which leaves you with whatever. It's a great product. You just buy that. So that's pretty much the review. I hope you like the video.